Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everybody. Please, you can share this video. Who there is Zuzu? Share this video. First of all, I want to thank everybody that stood by me and still standing by me right now. I want to appreciate everybody that recognized me, that makes me who I am today. You followed me, you like me. I like you too. I like you all. I appreciate you all. And I'm here to thank you for being there for me till date. Although I was having some issues with my page, but I'm so happy right now. Everything comes back normal. So I thank my God. They couldn't succeeded in hacking my page or taking my page off from this planet Earth we live in. Although I was trying to use another page, but most of my people couldn't recognize the page. But it's all good. I thank you all. It's been long. It's been a while. It's up to a month now. It's even more than maybe a month and 2 weeks, I think. So thank you all. I appreciate you all. So back to where we stop. We will still continue. You know, they cannot stop us. You know. They can't stop us. All because I like to speak the truth, because doing evil, because nobody is paying me to keep joining the evil gang. I cannot, because you see those evil gangs, they are going to end up with shame and disgrace. I know. And I can see them now, I can watch them now, ending up with disgrace, shame, fooling themselves. Even though they shit for body now, they'll say na prank. Even though they mess now, they shit for body, they piss for trousers, now they'll say na prank. And when prank is not even, if I notice them now, prank is not even something that is so like, anything now. You know, there was a time, was it last year or last 2 years? People were really doing some prank here, prank there. But now, nothing like, they freak people again, like, prank. I want to prank somebody. Who are you pranking? You are fooling yourself. You know, there are some words, there are certain things you do to prank, even though you want to. Not making a serious joke of your life, disgracing yourself, calling it prank. What will you gain? And everybody knows that it's not prank. You know, that's for the people who are wishing me bad. You know, when you wish somebody don't come close to you. When you wish somebody evil, downfall, that downfall might return back to sender. Now they are feeling it hot. I just stay here and laugh. Man, it's not easy, man. I saw a lot of things. There are a lot of things that was going on I couldn't be able to talk about, or because I was being restricted. But you see their lives. Coming out to do evil, coming out to saga people who did not saga them. At the end, they keep sagaring themselves. You, Enogi, you that have been cursing people, they curse people, that they laugh put for you. No, they don't, they laugh you now. You know, those things, When they say karma, they'll say karma is a bitch, karma is real. When they say karma, it's real. Karma, law of karma, or the laws of karma, they are real. As you dey do am, you dey see am for body. Back in the days when papa go do something, pikin go use head pack am. Now papa do something and na your head you go take pack am. Na it be your own so. You do something now, you papa and mama do something na their head they go take pack am first before e go even reach pikin body if e don even comot for board. That is what you are seeing right now. What do you start to gain by bullying people, causing this one, causing that one, causing this one? Now, DJ want to beat you, black and blue. You don't still don't come out for house. Are you not ashamed, okay? But your matter don't even tire people. You don't tire everybody. But we don't supposed to still be talking your matter again. But you are so shameless. If you still see something, I don't know. Well, I don't know how to put it, man. You are just fooling yourself in there. Fooling yourself. Even your woman self, you don't fool and reach neck. She don't feel even, you and I don't even know the beer for each other. You don't fool your woman reach neck. Are you not ashamed right now? You come out, color when you say people they put for phone. Now the color you can't go they put for phone like a woman. You not can see your lights when the lights when they make you they shine like when they make you the white not be shine when they make you the white like center of fish if they tear fish. You not can see the lights used for camp when they carry you go. No light for you to use there. You can't go they use color. They run up and down, they enter train, they enter bus don't they come, train don't they come. You see how useless you are. You see say you're not supposed to talk to people when they talk to. You say you're not supposed to refer to people when they refer to. It's a pity, man. You don't really know what you're doing. From Victor, DJ this, what is your DJ say won't beat you now, find you come where you say you they stay, they don't see you for there. You see your life. Now you are saying DJ, he's saying a artist, he's saying a this, saying a that. When you say you be Osakpikan, you be Ashiridi, you don't forget when you talk am. Say now you are men, idiots. You know who not know some kind elderly men for Nigeria when no me go with some kind men for Nigeria go reach abroad. If you all see one man when you follow and talk, you go say, I don't be big man. Come on, man, you are fooling yourself. You think you are my enemy, right? You not my enemy, or me not your enemy. I will still tell you the truth. You know there was a time I said, this woman go pursue you for house. You dey form love. I love my woman. I love my. That's not those love when you dey form. Those love, e no reach your ear. You know that woman. No, nobody be small pikin. Deceiving yourself. It's not called for. Live your life. Live as you fit take live. No go carry another person life dey live join your own. You no go fit survive am. Now you na foolishness, na dirtiness, na waywardness for inside house. Na don carry am dey come social media. And your woman wan purposely disgrace you. E allow the social to come in before she know say she go end the video because you be liar, because you see come outside come dey say na prank, na this, na that, na this one, na that one. The social even mention your stats, which is city. The social mention where they for come. They are from your city. So you will still come outside now and start telling people you dey prank, you want you do prank. What is wrong with you? Person no. You no go school that they say you don't know how many planets that they see. That one you me say you be idiot. You know what you they do for life. Now you want to do this. You want, what will you say? Now you are just replying comment. I can see you. I was just laughing. You are only replying comment. Nothing for you to talk. You don't get anything when you want to talk from out. I greet you, Modetoya. Nothing for you to talk because you know there is nothing for you to talk. It's just shame. Shame. Monica, the actuary, wanted to cover up for you, but it's just shame, man. If I were you, I would go out of social media for some time. Why fooling yourself? Now, so you would say, fool yourself, fool yourself, fool yourself, fool yourself. You don't forget who you be before, Sha, to say, okay, maybe you dey fool yourself, people go. You are such a big fool saying I want to become landlord. Are you mad? Then Davido, when they buy house, their house, if I'm not mistaken, their house they reach like 400 to 500 million naira. Almost like thousand, almost like a million euro. All this whenever they say I don't be landlord. You never even build house when you want stay. The one when you won't give rent, now you they build. The one when you go stay, in case they shake you, wave you, come on for Europe. Now the one when you go stay, you never get am. Now the one when you won't give tenant, now just now go be. Now that one you want to tease, you say you dey tease the DJ. You know sense, you don't get. Common sense, you don't have. Keeping secrets from person when you say you love. Your woman say you go send 1,000 euro go Nigeria. Your woman say no go no. But your woman is she's so blind she cannot see anything. Because me, I talk this thing. I said this woman, you don't get sense. They no get they use you for that. They no get wicked rich. Money wey no get they collect for social media. They no get, they see am for hand. It's them that they pay and go Nigeria for. But you come outside, you say, I love my woman. I love my woman so much. I love my woman so much. She's my love. I love her. This, you don't even reach your tongue. We know all those things. People bragging too much with something, they don't even get it. People, when they brag too much with one thing, they don't get am. So also with you, the love when you dey preach, you don't know how to love. You cannot love. You are just a fake person. As you take fake yourself, bleach yourself to stupor, you are fake. You are not a black man. So as you take fake yourself to stupor, now so you see take fake everything when come out for your mouth. Because you don't even love yourself. How can you love somebody else? You don't even appreciate the skin God gave to you. You don't appreciate anything that God gave to you. How can you even love another person? You don't love yourself. First, when you don't love yourself, when you don't know, say, na like this I be, na like this I be. You don't love yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself. Then, before you feel love another person completely. Not be all those love when they form for camera. If you form and finish, at the end of the day, you go to background and start insulting the woman and start cursing the woman. But the woman, she's the one receiving insult for you ever since. Which name they not call her? Uhe Kworo, this, that, Ashawo, this one, flat nyash, tiny leg, pencil leg, this, that. At the end, you see, say, if I leave you, you will suffer. If I leave you, there is. What do you? That means you don't have anything to lose. Only the woman has something to lose. You don't have to lose. You have enough to lose, many. Except you don't have a life. When you take the lie up and down, I want to go school. I dey go school 2 times a day. For this Germany, when me and you dey, now you for the go school 2 times a day. Which school are you going? University or what? Are you doing hospital? Which school you dey go 2 times a day for Germany here? Which school? Language school when they say make you go, those one na school. Language school when they say make you go for 6 months, now you come dey talk for social media, I dey go school, I dey go school, I dey go school, you no hear word. We don go language school more than 5 years 6 years ago. As you come, you no even near language school, and now you wan dey go language school. Dey say I wan go school 2 times a day, you no even dey go. Looking how you wan take read, abi dem no dey read for there, na to go there, you no go pass now. What are you saying? Are you mad? You don't need to comment rubbish here. Shut up your mouth if you don't know what I'm saying. You still dey come out, come talk about him. Then why will I not talk about him? You fit say if na me dey get down for like this, you fit say Enoge no come outside come laugh at me. Me no even get time to take laugh at Enoge. I just dey advise Enoge. Enoge, I'm advising you because your mouth too run for social media. You come outside, how many people you and get beef na people wey no near you? Then somebody have the right, the guts to talk, tell me here. Are you still talking about him? Why would I not talk about him? Is he not a fool? Not be carry yourself come outside. When you carry yourself come outside, then people will talk about you. You don't have anything to do about it. Nothing. 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 Who is this one? Who is sweet? Sweetie Gile. You are a motherfucker. I don't need to mind you. Because you see, advice one dey pass for here. Go pass and give your godfather, the Enoge, wey be your godfather. Because Enoge no get sense. Tell Enoge say na me talk. Enoge no like himself. Talk less to love somebody. Enoge no love him own self. Talk less to love another person. The mama Laura be wetin dem dey call am, be Laura, I don't know. Na Enoge love. Enoge, can you love? You no even see better person love sef. You wan love that one? Me know say you no love am. Na that one be dey try to manage you put for where e dey, but you you don love that woman. You don't even love yourself. You don't love yourself. You don't know what to do. You are just a confused soul. That is the reason why you come outside, you beef this, you beef that, you do this, you do that. At the end of the day, they will say they will beat you. Now you dey tell them make they come outside. Look at the guy I was watching yesterday, the DJ. DJ Wisdom. DJ Wisdom said, he dey work. You dey call am. When he go take seize you, when he go take, then when he close for work, he come find you, come where you say you dey. You were nowhere to be found. You run. So such person now, tomorrow now you see come outside dey brag. Now only your woman you fit beat for inside house dem. They not tell you. Only your woman now you fit beat for there. If you still beat am finish, go send you out for 10 days. Your 10 days, people dey help you dey count am. They help you dey count am. Even though you hide, go house, go beg. Because we don't finish of begging. People, they send people. The day your woman was on live video, people came to beg her. They were even begging her. I beg. That woman, everybody hear am now. we hear am. You dey send friends, make they come dey beg. I beg. Oh my God. Is this what you want to use your life for? Now wetin you wan use your life for be this one. You wan use this one, and this one be your career for Europe. So shameful, man. Well, I have nothing more to say about you. You be a wayward person. But for those of you guys, I know say you dey among Enoge. If you like, you try your best to hack me or to do anything. Let me tell you, there is nothing you can do. Just as you dey curse people, so continue to dey curse people. As you comot my name for your mouth, continue to comot am for your mouth. Because if my name not dey come your mouth, Nobody will ask me to stop. I will just stop. You can see I not come go back there now. I not come swear for you now. I not come swear all the whole juju for you. Not because say you get you that they fear you, or I don't tell you say you don't over. No, you never finish. But sometimes person dey use your own sense take do something. So that's the reason why you see me again as I take dey. I not be like you, and you not fit be like me for life. Because you dey see am now, this grace dey follow you back and front. You dey cover. Your woman even say the perigold own when you first call prank, that one will not be prank. Now again, your woman pursue you come outside, you dey form say na prank, not be prank. Your woman say you no get document, na prank again. Your woman curse your mama, na prank. How person go be your woman curse your own mama for live video, say you be mother's boy? Perigo first call you baby boy. Now your woman, this one now, the ashawo tutu kobo, come still call you now mother's boy, mommy's boy. And the house now you still go. What a shame, man. You're not just ashamed. Say you won't get waiting. Good afternoon, Emmy David. I see you, brother. What a shame. At the end now, all you have to do, you go beg finish. Hey, see insult when the woman pour for your head. You too like food. If I now make clear they from UK they bring fish come for you and you they shop am. Man too like food. No, e no good. E no good. Food. That make you lazy, so nothing you can do. Because you too like food. For your woman to come still talk am for live video, let me say you be your zoo. Say you too like food. Man fit even stay morning till night na beg there even dey food dey you never eat. You when you no dey go work, no dey go anywhere, na food. Sit down for house dey chop. Dey chop dey big for head. Dey form big boy. Go school now you no fit. They say you dey go school 2 times a day. I first come, I dey go. I go still go again. Na school you dey go, so no be deceive you dey deceive this woman so. Abi you don get girlfriend when you go dey sit down for a house. Man, get shame, man. If you don't get shame, get shame. Imagine this DJ now tell you say he go beat you. You don't run your mouth finish. Wetin you wan come talk now? This DJ say he be Curtis. He say he be Curtis. He no follow you talk about. Now you dey show yourself. At the end of the day, they will see say you when you dey show yourself, you no be anything. That is what they are trying to say. But you by like just the burn issues. The burn issues. Whereas people are laughing at you, go to social media platform, blogger, all the whole blog, vlog, everything, all of them. Gbogbo when they carry. YouTube don't fool. Facebook don't fool. You still come outside, see they see my day there. Because of small prank, innit? Poor. They cause your mama using a turn prank. Anything when they do you na prank. They say you too chop na prank. They say you be mommy's boy, the same money go house. Only house na the same money go. You know they fit buy trouser wear. One bossers na prank. Borrow na prank. Your friend can't greet you because that one they clean house. You say make it come out. You go talk true. You not get house when they clean. Maybe your woman be don dey like am. Maybe and your woman be wan run things. You be wan cash them for something. I make you say make it come out. We on a guy, man. Guy man come my house now. Come because he come dey clean house. Then make come on, make not come spell. Which kind of yeye talk be that one? You know fit do. You still see you do. Let am do. At the time, that one get why they do am. Omo, yeah. Because some people dey now, maybe okay, you no dey German before you come here. See say you get house and you no go fit your go camp now. You know say if you comot now na camp you go stay. So e come help you dey clean house. Talk the truth. Maybe if you wan sleep with your woman wan try sleep with am, you don dey see eye when your woman, you know ashawo now. No eye when your woman take dey look am, you know. That make you say make comot. Talk truth. Only truth na go set all of una free when they lie. Talk truth. Say you be dey suspect something. Maybe your woman be don dey collabo. They be wan collabo. You don code for night. You know, e dey happen now. Your woman fit wake up, or the man fit. They watch drama, my people now. The man fit wake up, or the woman fit wake up for midnight. You know, maybe they be go see. Maybe you don't sense am or you don't feel am. Then you tell the guy say abeg come leave my house. Finish. Nothing else. Because who carry ashawo for house no go lie let guy man come in house, because you go know say ashawo, he know say the ashawo wey put for house na twinkle, you know. They never touch am. As you take collect am for your friend hand, you know see another person still come your house na to collect am from you instantly. So why are you crying? It's so you collect am from your friend. How you take collect am? Maybe your friend, you can't greet your friend. Your friend get up, you collect number, or maybe midnight, the friend dey sleep or comot for house, then you dey hammer am. Through there, now you take collect am. You get house. Through there, now you take collect am. So your friend still come now. He wants to do you the same thing. It's a karma, law of karma. No cry. Another person go first still collect am for your hand before. Mark my word. Another person go see come collect am for your hand. Play. Because some women dey like that. As you all take sweet am that year when you take leave that guy, that's your friend, he has say na so another person you know fit test another one, that one go see sweet am pass your own. Maybe your own not even strong again now, you know, don't bleach am, you know. Don't bleach penis not strong again. So this one when show up now, you know, he balance, you know. He balance. This one not dey bleach, you know. He go still strong for that way. Go still maybe the woman don't test am, and this one, you know, strong pass you. You know, they go work now. Who they go work body strong pass who sit down for house. They, you know, sit down for house, eat, sleep. Don't fuck the prick sef don't file, you know. You know they fit fuck again sef. So if you see your friend, your friend you're enter, you like am, then you have to go and sleep outside. Since you no want make things go on, then make you sleep outside. So then things when you say you no go play, you go play. I be now let me dey see am. That is what I dey see am. The day when the woman dey talk, see say the guy bag, the woman dey use camera take dey show am, see the friend bag for here. He never come out now. As police pursue you come outside, the guy go come back, come finish work when he starts. He come finish work. Na so e be. So as you take collect am for person, no let am pay you. You collect am corner, you corner am, corner am comot for ear say hand. Then another of your friend go still come corner am comot for your hand. Then you go dey sleep junction. So as you dey sleep junction, so if e don dey pain you, be don dey cry. E no get be don dey cry. Oh, it's a pity, man. E no get take the wisdom. Radio. No be lie, oh. No be lie. They will come out and come out for this guy hand because he can't lie. DJ, now you say no dey do anything, you do this, you do that. We all know say na lie no get the lie. No mind that I no give. I dey see you here. I hate. See that guy that I no give, you know him. Shey you don go track am for us. Now see now na baby boy as they call am. That boy na baby boy. If you see men for motion, e go jump fence. Fence wey high pass am million times go, you no know the time when e take jump. No be to dey rake for live video. Na who man that one dey beat for inside house? Why you not come beat your friend when he come greet you? When share the bag, why you not throw away the bag for outside? That's what, your woman I put you for house. She talk am. Document you no get. You dey rake. They all give my woman document now with children. They all do this, they all do that. Shut up, come on, shut up your mouth. We know all those things. There are some things you don't say. There are some things you say. You don't too rake full everywhere. At the end now, people don't they see your nyash. You just dey open anywhere where you go. Your tongue here, your nyash open. Tongue go there, your nyash open. I just can't dey. I just can't dey pity for you. Hey, I can't dey pity for you. No gay. Who my they use they do caricature? Not be saying that you they carry your bag come up by yourself. Now who my they pursue you now? They say that even when the quarrel even start, they say, may you come outside. You say, no, they go anywhere. You want fights. Say pity. Oh, my God. Who do you this one? Now, Sakpi can be na Ashigidi when you say you did. Now, they do you this one. You never go Nigeria, you join Sakpi can Ashigidi. For where? For Europe, yeah. Fake one. Fake one. You don't drink what you're not supposed to drink. Fake one. The type I say from it, you know they go party. Now you they go party. Which party you they go in Ogi? Birthday. Birthday na party. Birthday. Person birthday. Na to gather single mothers food there. You see they find one single mother when you want the whole inyash for there. And your mama go flog you now. If you come house, go make you come back. Now you dey suffer puso. Birthday. Yeah, I get luck say you no see am. He get luck because you only home when you go home, you know, he go dey beg you. I know that kind of guy. Don't be to if you go put am for camera, that kind of person go dey beg you. Abeg, no enter Facebook. Abeg. We'll settle am. I know people like Enogi. If you meet am, grab am, na heading you dash am for face first, or na slap you slap. If you trap am come down, Enogi go tell you say, make we go settle am. Why they do me like this, bros? I dey joke now. You see, I go change mouth. DJ Wisdom, you know, no dey waste your transport. No, see that guy, if he give you control, another deal. No waste your, no just waste your bus ticket or train ticket. Say na no get the fine. That one it too useless, man. If guys not taking, that woman go feed a beat am for there. Now they see a no get hand. See my hand now. A no get hand. He and woman hand, I don't know the one went flat pass. Man hand your flat. You know they do anything. Gym, you know they go. Jog, you know they go. Walk, you know they walk. All those things they make man strong because here in a cold country. You just sit down, you know they do anything. Come on, press up, you know they do. Woman push you, you go fall because those cold, it don't exhaust you. If you say food, you know food when they chop, when they piss through, when they shit through. Those one are food. Mugu. So my people, thank you so much. That guy, Enogi, Mona, y'all help me, they laugh Enogi. He deserve me that they laugh that guy. Because that guy, he don't too do. When go they cause law, the thing. Now go remember, say, you see, when all of us made this boy stop that time, say, what they do no good. If you want first start to the cause law. Later, Monica can't really send her because now Monica messenger. Now the message, you know, say bodyguard now when they won't finish boss, they not boss. Bodyguard go use body collector. Now it be also. So ready to collect anything when you see for public. physical or spiritual, you say you be yourself quicker, you be ashigidi. They collect am. They collect am. Your mama no dey warn you now. Say what you are doing is not good. You start insulting people. You don't even make peace. When you, as far as say you know say na money you dey use until they find. Not only you sabi find money. You will insult people. You will not later come to tell them sorry. Not everybody you can do that to. Some people no dey forget something. They fit keep am for mind. You be winch now. You get coven. Your man na babalawo, another person fit get babalawo as papa or as mama or as brother or as relation. So as you dey so, it's a pity. Still come outside, come say na prank with this one when they curse your generation. Say you be oriba, you be food person. Man, it's a pity, man. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I appreciate you all. See you guys maybe tomorrow or later in the day. I don't know yet. Because right now, back to my big page. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.